Glowkidztv! Do you know the magic morning routine that makes every day happy?
Wake up! Stretch high, K! Reach for the sun, wiggle your toes. Make your bed, tuck in tight. Where's Bunny hiding?
There!
Slip on slippers, hop, hop. Keep your feet warm and safe.
Brush, brush. Top and bottom, shiny teeth sparkle like stars. Wash your face, splash, whoosh. Rinse the sleepy away. Comb your hair, smile wide. Hello, bright day. Pick your clothes, comfy and neat. Red shirt, blue shorts. Let's decide.
Socks on! Oops, one is funny inside out. That's okay, we laugh.
Breakfast time, yummy bites. Eat to grow strong and happy. Soap scrub, wash your hands. Clean hands mean healthy play.
Pack your snack and water kind. Ready for play and learning.
Tie your shoes, bunny ears and loop. Hop outside with a smile. Say good morning. A little hug makes the day warm. Step outside. Big breaths in and out. Hello, fresh air. Run and jump, play your best. Move your body, yay! Share a toy. Sharing is kind. Hello, friend. Let's play together. Sing a song, clap your hands. Music makes us happy. Sip your water, tiny snacks. Fuel for more fun later. Clean up time. Tidy toys away. Tidy room. Tidy play. Wash again after play. Scrub, sparkle, all clean. Please, thank you. Say please and thank you. Kind words make hearts happy. Story time. Turn the page. Find the hidden star. Wow.
Quiet rest nights. Close your eyes. Soft dreams coming.
Wake up slow. Stretch again. Time for smiles and hugs.
Help a little, water the plant, or set the cup. You're a helper. Brush again at night. Clean teeth for sweet dreams.
PJs on, cozy and warm, snug as a bug. One little story, one little hug. Good night, stars, good night, moon. Great job today! You learned many actions. Like, subscribe, and come back to Glowkidztv.